What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to do the unboxing of this month's Glossybox. So if you're interested to find out what was in this month's Glossybox and maybe just interested in what kind of product you usually find in the subscription box, then stick around and let's jump right into the video. Welcome back. If you're new here, hi. My name is Andrea. I'm doing makeup and beauty videos here on YouTube, so if that sounds like you're kind of jazzed, then stick around. As we quickly mentioned in the intro, we are going to do the unboxing of this month's Glossybox and we're gonna find what we have this month. I'm really excited because the last few boxes from Glossybox were actually really decent and really good quality products inside. Curious what they came up with this month. Okay, so this month, as you can see, we have the Makeup and Magic edit of the Glossybox. 5 products inside, which is really good. I can see we have some really good goodies, so excited to try them out. This is this month's Glossybox, or the interior of it. So let's start one by one and see what we've got. Okay, so the first item that I picked up from the box is the Argan oil from Morocco Oil Repairing Deep Conditioner. So it's formulated with organic argan oil unique to Morocco. This deep conditioner will turn dry and damaged hair into luscious locks as if by magic. In the last couple of months, I did start to use the Moroccan oil in my hair conditioning and hair shampooing processes, and I have to say I did see a really huge difference in the quality of my hair and how it behaves and just like the overall health of it. It just improved. So I'm really excited to try this out. Okay, the next item, I'm actually really excited to try it out because it's a Spectrum Zodiac brush. And let's be serious, you don't usually get makeup brushes from Glossybox that often. When it does, they tend to be like really good. So I'm really excited to try it out. So yeah, really excited to try this out. Spectrum is well known about its really good brushes and really in your budget kind of vibe. And actually this particular brush retails for £7.99, which is quite acceptable for a crease brush because this is one of the most used makeup brush in your makeup kit. So yeah, really looking forward to try this out. Okay, the next item is looking like this. This is a Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. A purple clay mask. That's a first. Interestingly enough, in the actual leaflet, I don't have this mask. Instead, I have here a mud masking mask, which is not in here. Instead, I have this Generation Clay one. But yeah, loving how it looks like. I will give it a try and I'll let you know. Maybe I'll do a video or so on Instagram. We'll see. Next item that we have is a QueBella Professional Recharge and Restore Purple Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask. Recharges mind and rejuvenates the skin. So it's another face mask. If this mask has the exact same color as the packaging, then I will not take it off. The very last item that we have, and I have to say I'm really excited about this one because this looks really good, is the LA Splash eyeshadow palette. This looks really good. So it has like this gold packaging and all sorts of like dark magic kind of like symbols and stuff. Really sleek black packaging and then this gold kind of like embroids, if that makes sense. This looks really nice. Look at those colors. Those are like autumn and a palette basically, but this looks like really good, and I will do some swatches. Like, I know these are not like the best swatches ever, but these are looking incredibly pigmented, and I literally cannot wait to try them all. Okay guys, so that kind of concludes this month's Glossybox, and I have to say this was a really good month. We have an eyeshadow palette and an eyeshadow brush alongside 2 different face masks. That is really good, and a hair mask. To be honest, I think this is one of my favorite Glossyboxes from this year, and I have to say, really good quality and definitely worth the price. I mean, come on, this was really good. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section down below. Leave me a thumbs up for this video, share with your friends, and follow me on Instagram at amewnition. Also, don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!